Ford is out with its latest sales numbers, reporting a fall in total U.S. sales in November. However, a rosier picture in sight for its electric vehicles. Here to break down all the details is Yahoo Finance's Pras Subramanian. Pras, what do we know?
So, we saw sales drop 7.8% in November. That's not too good, probably due to some lingering part shortages. But EV sales were up over 100% in November. Ford says they now have an 8.6% market share in the EV market. Looking at some of their models here, the Ford F-150 Lightning EV, 2,000 sold in May. Now they're up to 13,200 for the year. The Mustang Mach-E up 14.5% in November. They've now said they've crossed the 150,000 production mark for that car. So that's pretty big numbers for their first new overall EV. And the big dog, the F-Series pickup, they say it's poised to take the sales crown. They've sold around 580,000 of those trucks this year so far, but that's down 13% from a year ago. So they're doing well from the EV point of view, but overall, why still struggling with getting production? I don't think it's a demand issue. I think it's a supply production issue.
Right. They're still not able to do. Was it them with the heated seats? Somebody wasn't able to get the heated seats in.
You had to pay extra for the heated seats.
Yeah, I can't remember who it was. Yeah. I also want to ask you about the Tesla semi-truck, which, in true Tesla fashion was delayed. But finally, Tesla delivered it to Pepsi, yesterday or last night?
Yeah. So we saw the production version of this truck, the Tesla Semi. There's some questions there with the truck's kind of sort of specs, but they delivered it. Frito-Lay and Pepsi are using it right now at their Modesto facility. Musk says that it'll have 500 miles of range and a full 82,000 pound freight sort of weight, max weight there. What we don't know is the load capacity of the truck. So how much does that truck weigh versus how much freight is it carrying? That's a big question people want to know. Also, price is something we want to know. But real quick, it's going to have a tri-motor setup like the Plaid powertrain, so it's pretty interesting stuff there. And also a new megawatt charging capable plug. It'll be able to take that. And the big news, the surprise they mentioned was that the Cybertruck will be able to take that megawatt plug that'll give you 1,000 watts of power, which is huge numbers for charging. They say in the next year you'll start seeing superchargers get that plug.
The Cybertruck when it comes out, you mean?
Yeah.
When that exists?
Yeah.
When we can actually
supposedly next year.
drive it?
Supposedly next year.
We've heard that before. We'll see what happens. All right. Thanks, Pras. Appreciate it.